We will begin by doing some border style for Pattachitra painting. Pattachitra is a traditional Indian folk art from Odisha and West Bengal. Artisans there make intricate paintings based on mythological characters and folk tales. They use cloth or paper as base and natural colors to paint. Every Pattachitra painting will have a border, and the borders are inspired by floral motifs and patterns. Some of the popular themes are depiction of Sri Jagannath Ji, Krishna Leela, incarnation of Lord Vishnu and Panchmukhi Ganesha. In this video, we are showing some basic pattern design used in Pattachitra paintings. In the next video, we will be making a small painting based on Pattachitra theme. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do let us know in comments.